Are you constantly dragging yourself through the day, relying on countless cups of coffee just to stay awake? What if we told you that your fatigue isn't just about sleep at all, it's also about protein, and you're probably making crucial mistakes without even knowing it? Here's something shocking. Studies show that 75% of Americans think they're getting enough protein, but research reveals that nearly half of adults over 30 are actually protein deficient. But here's what's really interesting: the problem isn't always about how much protein you're eating, it's about when and how you're consuming it. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the 6 protein mistakes that are secretly draining your energy. And stick around until the end, because mistake number 6 is something almost everyone gets wrong, and it could be the key to doubling your energy levels naturally. Welcome to Lean Body Optimal. You're on a journey to optimal health and wellness, and we're right here with you. Mistake number 1, the breakfast blunder. Let's start with your mornings. Imagine this: you wake up, grab a quick breakfast, maybe a banana or a granola bar, and rush to your first meeting. Here's the problem: research from the University of Missouri shows that people who skip protein at breakfast are 44% more likely to experience mid-morning energy crashes. When you skip protein in the morning, you're essentially starting your day on an empty tank, asking your body to perform without fuel. The science is clear. Your body needs at least 25 to 30 grams of protein within the first hour of waking to kickstart your metabolism and stabilize blood sugar. Without it, you're setting yourself up for an energy roller coaster that no amount of caffeine can fix. Start your day with protein-rich options like Greek yogurt with nuts, eggs and whole grain toast, or a protein smoothie. Mistake number 2, the timing trap. You might be eating enough protein overall, but timing is everything. Many people make the mistake of loading up on protein at dinner while neglecting it during the day. Think of your energy like your phone battery. Would you wait until your phone is at 1% to charge it? Of course not. Yet, that's exactly what you're doing when you neglect protein during the day and only load up at night. Studies show that spreading protein intake evenly throughout the day increases energy levels by about 30% compared to consuming the same amount primarily at one meal. Aim to consume 20 to 30 grams of protein with your meal every 3 to 4 hours. This ensures your body has the fuel it needs to keep your energy steady all day long. Enjoying these protein insights? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it helpful. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Mistake number 3, the quality compromise. Not all protein sources are created equal. Are you relying on processed protein bars and shakes? They might be convenient, but they often lack the nutrients found in whole foods. Many people rely on processed foods, missing out on the additional nutrients that come with whole food protein sources. Whenever possible, choose whole food protein sources. For example, swap out that processed protein bar for a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds and fresh berries, or try a slice of whole grain toast with avocado and smoked salmon. These options provide high-quality protein along with other essential nutrients to fuel your body and keep your energy levels steady. Mistake number 4, the absorption issue. Here's something most people don't realize: you could be eating plenty of protein but not absorbing it properly. Factors like certain medications, stress, and digestive issues can all interfere with your body's ability to process protein efficiently. Pairing protein with vitamin C-rich foods, like bell peppers, oranges, or strawberries, can support better nutrient absorption and overall digestion. If you're over 40, your body's natural production of digestive enzymes can start to decline, making it harder to break down and absorb nutrients like protein efficiently. This can lead to symptoms like bloating, fatigue, or even nutrient deficiencies over time. Incorporating a high-quality digestive enzyme supplement into your routine can help bridge this gap by improving your body's ability to break down protein into amino acids, which are essential for muscle repair, energy production, and overall health. Additionally, digestive enzymes can enhance the absorption of other important nutrients that often work in synergy with protein, such as vitamins and minerals. By supporting your digestion in this way, you'll not only make the most of the protein you consume but also improve your overall nutrient uptake. Small adjustments like these can significantly enhance your energy levels, recovery after workouts, and even long-term health. It's an easy and effective step toward feeling your best at any age. Mistake number 5, the post-workout window. Think you can wait hours after your workout to eat protein? If you're waiting too long after exercising to eat protein, you're missing a critical window to replenish energy and aid recovery. This common mistake could be sabotaging your energy levels and slowing down your muscle repair process. Eating protein shortly after a workout helps your body rebuild and refuel, and boost energy for the next 24 hours. Pack a quick, protein-rich snack in your gym bag, like grilled chicken strips or cottage cheese, for immediate post-workout nutrition. Mistake number 6, the hidden protein robbers. And now for the mistake almost everyone makes, not accounting for the daily activities that increase your protein needs. Stress, exercise, aging, and even certain medications can significantly increase your protein needs. Did you know that the stress you feel every day might be silently draining your protein reserves? Stress isn't just a mental burden, it's physically taxing, impacting your muscle repair and recovery. This means your body might be crying out for more protein than you realize, just to keep your energy up and support your overall well-being. If you're constantly on the go, juggling a busy, high-stress lifestyle, it's time to listen to your body. Adjusting your protein intake to match your activity levels, age, and stress can make a world of difference in how you feel, recover, and show up each day. Don't let stress rob you of the energy you deserve. Fuel your body the way it needs. We've just uncovered 6 protein mistakes that could be draining your energy, from the breakfast blunder to those sneaky protein robbers. But remember, fixing these mistakes doesn't require a total lifestyle overhaul. It's about making small, deliberate changes, like starting your day with protein, or in the right way, and from the right sources. Ready to transform your energy levels? Whether it's adding eggs to your breakfast, or packing a post-workout snack, you'll be amazed at the difference in your energy levels. Start by implementing these strategies one at a time, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Interested in learning more about optimizing your nutrition? Check out our video, 12 Signs Your Body Needs More Nutrients, where we break down each subtle and not so subtle signals your body sends when it's running low on essential nutrients. From unexplained fatigue to brittle nails, we'll decode each sign, explain what it means, and give you practical tips to fill those nutrient gaps. Ready to share? What's your biggest protein mistake? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest health and wellness tips. Remember, optimal protein intake isn't just about building muscle, it's the key to unlocking the sustained energy you need to thrive in every aspect of your life.